welcome to a new video of Let's Discuss. In this video, I'm going to go over my Robinhood portfolio. I have a little bit over 3K in that account. I don't use everything for long-term portfolio. I have $500 for spreads. That's a new goal of mine of this year, getting into spreads, making consistent returns safely. Most of the stocks that I'm in, I got it from this book right here. This book was a gift to me. So it said the 100 best stocks to buy in 2020. That's when I got them last year. I went through them, found the ones that I thought were personally the better ones, and I went off of the dividends, the ones that paid roughly the best dividends, and the ones that seemed to have more momentum for the long run. Obviously, 2020 we had a pandemic, so a lot of stocks were actually in discount. So I went off of this book and I saw a discounted price, and I went off of price action because I know a little bit of technical analysis. So I got into the stocks. So I'm gonna go over that right here. First things first, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna screen record my phone so you guys can see exactly what I have. As you can see right here, we have a beautiful wallpaper of Itachi and Sasuke from Naruto, and it's a live photo. So if you hold it, you get to see the Sharingan in the background. Pretty dope. All right. So first things first, we're gonna go to Robinhood, unlock this account. So you can see I'm down a little bit, $3.72. These are my actual holdings. So I'm gonna go one by one. So first things first, I have Apple. This one I got it a little bit later. I did get 2 shares. So each share that I have is approximately $200, just so I could evenly distribute my whole portfolio. So it's not like all Tesla, or all tech. So I want to distribute it equally amongst different sectors. So in case one sector tanks, I don't get screwed over with everything. So for the first one, Apple, I bought 2 shares, and right now I'm up 15%, which is not much, but I'm not planning to sell anytime soon because I have faith in Apple. Obviously, all Apple products. That's the first one. Second one will be Home Depot. It was between Home Depot or Costco, or Best Buy, but I ended up getting Home Depot. They're all retail, but this one's a little bit of a different category. I bought less than a share because it was $200, and I'm down 1%. But like I said, I'm holding this for the long run. And all the dividends that I get from these stocks, I end up just throwing it back inside. As you can tell, I got $1, another dollar, and I bought this in August. Um, Another one is the Global Index Fund. It's an ETF. I believe this is like, yeah, $200 as well. I see I have another dividend coming in January 8th, which is 68 cents. And these dollars adds up, like a dollar and 68 cents. It adds up eventually. I'm up here 15%, so not bad. This is an ETF as well, just long-term hold. These are the only 2 ETFs that I have right now, the DIV and the SDIV. And I believe I went off of how safe they are and dividend return. This one, another 66 dividend return. It's only 114. I mean, it's only 6 shares, and I'm up 11% on this one too. Like I said, I don't care if I'm up or down right now because I'm holding it long term. This is Deere. I think this is our agriculture, if I'm not mistaken. 80 and 82 cents pending, and I am up 56% on this one. So I'm pretty up nicely. I'm up $114. I don't want to sell just because I don't want to get taxed. That's the only reason. After that, we have FedEx. This one has been going down pretty badly. I was looking at the chart last night, and actually, let me pull up the chart real quick. Just a little preview of day trading chart analysis. FedEx. If you look at FedEx on the daily, on the weekly, look how bad that looks. Jesus. It was going in an upward trend, and all of a sudden just died. But even though it died, I'm still up 26% because I bought it in a good time. Next one, it's Courtney. I forgot what this company does, but it's in this book. I took notes. I did my research. I don't remember what this does, but I'm up 15% on this account, this stock, and all these are stocks. They're all shares. I didn't buy any options because there's always an expiration for options, and this was supposed to be a long-term account, so I'm up 15% on this one. Next one is the Kimberly and Clark. Obviously, everybody knows this company. They do diapers. They do a lot of stuff on this company. I'm down 16%, but it's a long-term hold. Next one, we have Coca-Cola. Everybody knows that. Up 6%. Not bad. It went down a bit, but It's obviously a long term hold. Coca Cola, AT&T, these are like the most conservative stocks you can buy. You don't know anything. Coca Cola, AT&T, they're there forever. I'm down 2%, but it's only $5, so I don't mind. Next one is Visa. This is actually a newer one because with the whole cryptocurrency going on, Square, PayPal, Visa, they're all looking into the future, right? So if all of these could adapt to the new current market of the cryptocurrency, this is gonna be a good stock. I'm only up 2%, but it's all good. I'm happy to be a shareholder. This one, Gap. This is not really a technical analysis from the book. This is just more because Kanye did a deal with Gap, and as we've seen what Kanye did with Adidas and how he helped out and innovated that a bit with the Ultra Boost, the Yeezy Boost, you know. So the impact that he did on Adidas, I have high hopes for him on Gap. That's why I bought shares for Gap. I bought $200 as well, and I'm up 19% actually. So not bad. And I think the deal starts this year. I'll put the little news article right there, just the headline. But yeah, that's just more on speculation, not much on technical analysis. And then BA, it's been going down. It's 13% up, but BA obviously it's a long term. I thought they only did airlines, but they do aerospace and some other stuff. It's in the book too. BA has the largest aerospace company. They have 3,500 new commercial airplanes and 1,000 military aircrafts and satellites in the past 5 years. They are in two segments. They are in commercial airlines and defense and space and security. And they're the largest exporter in America that operate in 65 countries. So just off the bat, you know they're a really big company. And if they go bankrupt, I'm pretty sure the government will bail them out. The government loves to bail out big companies. So I have faith in BA. That's going to be a really strong company after the pandemic is over. And that's about it. I have cryptocurrency, but it's not much. I have Ether, which is only I don't know how much money I have, to be honest. I'm up 300%, $30. Oh, there you go, 300%, $30. But I don't know how much I have actually. Let me see. I have $10. I put $10 and I'm up 300%, $30. I should take profits honestly, because I don't know how that works with cryptocurrency. I bought Bitcoin just a little bit. I bought $16 of Bitcoin, and I'm up 33%. So cryptocurrency only goes up, I guess. That's just the list. So yeah, and then since I got all of these stocks, let me see when I actually got into all of these stocks. I got them. I got them in August. I bought them in August, I think. So since August, that's what September, October, November, December, January. 5 months, right? So like around 3 months ago, I'm up like around $200 since the past 3 months, right? Obviously these fluctuate up and down, but I've been generally been going up since I bought all these stocks, so that's pretty good. Uh, Overall year, that's because I was day trading with this account. And I do have $500 in buying power, but that's gonna be for spreads. So I'm gonna do another video on my spreads and how I do. Right now I'm still learning, so I'm gonna go from that. So yeah, that's pretty much concludes the video. You know, my long-term portfolio for this. This is one of my long-term portfolios. I have multiple. Um, I'll make videos on later on, but yeah, that's what I got right now. So